What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your homepage in Google Chrome if it is not showing Google. Right, before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up a new window here to my Google Chrome. And as you can see, immediately once I open it, it is not showing Google. It is showing a Seznam, which is a different search engine, right? And if I open another tab on another tab, you'll see that this is showing the different search engine. And I can search, for example, let's say I want to search Google. If I type that in, you are seeing that it is searching from Seznam. So how do you do it? It could be any search engine. It could be Yahoo, it could be Bing, whatever it might be. If something happened to your Chrome and it's not showing the Google as it should, or from Google search engine, then you follow these steps to make sure that you fix it, right? So go ahead and click on the three dots on the upper right hand side, and you want to click on settings. From here on the left hand side, you want to click on search engine, and immediately you will see if the search engine is showing Google or not. And as you can see here, it is showing Seznam. So right away, you see where the issue is coming from. So all you have to do is just simply click on the change and select Google from here. Right now, once you do this, this should in fact work after you open up another tab. As you can see, it is now showing Google there. However, if this does not fix the issue, you can close out of Chrome and reopen it. The next thing that you can try as well, on the left hand side, you have the on startup. You can also click on that, and where you have the option that says open a specific page or set specific pages, you can click on that, right? And here you can add page, and you can simply go ahead and type in www. For example, and type google.com, right? You can simply type in google.com and click and add, right? And this will add google.com as a specific page, right? Or you can easily leave it on new tab page as well. And once you open it like that, or when it's to open up your Google Chrome, I'm going to close out of this and show you again. Let me open a new window, and you will see that it's showing Google Chrome. But that's in a nutshell, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and fix the issue if you're facing this with your Google Chrome. This should in fact work and fix the issue and set back your Google Chrome to using google.com as a search engine. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.